Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. I got my coffee, I'm all jazzed up and ready to go. Got my coffee. We're doing things a bit differently this week, so let's get right to it. Over a year ago, I crafted a leather desk pad for my buddy Tim, and since then, I've had quite a few people asking where they can get one of these desk pads. Now, I wasn't super receptive to doing these because since then I sold off my sewing machine while I was moving and at the same time didn't have enough of the particular leather in stock. I recently decided that I want to still try and offer these desk pads, but it's difficult to know exactly what kind of demand there will be. So from now until July 20th, I'm doing a pre-order for 3 unique sizes of these desk pads. Small 12 inches by 20 inches, medium 15 inches by 24 inches, and large 17 inches by 30 inches. I had just enough material left to do the small desk pad, which you can see me building here. The leather is a 6 to 7 ounce chestnut skirting leather from WICKETT & Craig. The WICKETT & Craig tannery out of Curwensville, Pennsylvania has been around for over 150 years and they consistently provide excellent leather. The desk pad is hand stitched together using VINYMO MBT No. 5 white thread. And the edges are burnished with beeswax, paraffin wax, and TOKONOLE clear edge dressing to protect the edges and for a professional look. I love using Smith's all-natural leather balm on something like this. It smells great and helps rejuvenate the leather. Here, I'm applying it to the leather and then letting it set for a few hours, and then hand buffing with a horsehair brush to a nice sheen. And that's pretty much it, but let's check out the B-roll. Thank you so much for watching this video. These desk pads can quickly be added to any existing home office setup and immediately class up the place. I also like to think that you can use it while working on small electronics or even Lego builds. These desk pads are currently available for pre-order. Head to legacybrandleather.com/shop or hit the link in the description below. The pre-order ends July 20th with the orders expecting to ship the week of August 10th. After the pre-order closes on July 20th, I have no guarantee when these will be back in stock after my first supply run. Thank you again, and please follow my Instagram @LegacyBrandLeather. I post daily. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Stay safe out there.